I'm thinking about so many of my students that have had that experience that think scholars is beneath them. I was just talking to one of my other master coaches who's been with me 10 years. She had been with us, and she's like, you know what really did it for me? She's like, Marching Scholars. Doing that workbook changed my life. So she went from making no money to making $300,000 a year because of Marching Scholars. Listening to the calls, like every week, of you all showing up with the stuff you're dealing with such bravery is what changes my life too. Sometimes some of you are in so much visceral, acute pain, right, in that moment, and just so desperate to get out of it, and just the encouragement, no, this is part of the deal. Like, that's what keeps me at this, because so many of us don't know, especially brand new scholars, don't know that like this is unnecessary, the suffering that you're in. Like, pain is inevitable, but the suffering that you're causing yourself, we can totally eliminate that. That's what keeps me going.